Welcome back. It's where news about breakthroughs in cancer research is made. The annual ASCO meeting. It brings together 30,000 of the world's top oncologists and cancer researchers. Tomorrow, the 5-day ASCO meeting wraps up. And tonight, only on News 3, Dave DeLozier tells us the work of a UW Carbone Cancer Center doctor was the focus of the meeting.
The annual ASCO meeting is a coming together of the brightest minds in cancer research.
Doesn't matter whether the research is happening in Greece or Pakistan or Florida.
Or right here in Wisconsin.
The traditional approach is to define what type of cancer it is and then to dictate the treatment by the guidelines for that cancer type.
But Dr. Mark Burkhardt, an oncologist with UW's Carbone Cancer Center, is looking at something different. Instead of prescribing treatment based on the location on the body of the cancer, he's looking at the cancer cells themselves.
We've recently gotten new tools to see inside the cancer. So instead of just looking at what the cells look like on the outside, to see inside their very DNA, their genetic makeup.
Which allows for a highly targeted treatment for each individual patient.
Absolutely. This is the targeted therapy approach.
And as is the case with a lot of research, with every answer comes more questions.
There's a lot of hope and promise, and there's a lot of frustration.
Hope and promise because the targeted treatments have shown positive results for some patients. Frustration because stopping cancer isn't that easy.
So the cancer changes. And when you attack it with a targeted therapy that turns off a pathway, it finds a way around it.
Still, Dr. Burkhardt believes targeted treatments offer great hope.
I foresee a day where every patient who walks through the door is going to have us peering inside their cancer cells to try to find out what's unique to that individual person and that individual cancer.
Because of improvements in cancer treatment, more than 2 million deaths have been averted since 1991. And looking ahead, it is estimated the survival rate for cancer will increase by another 31% in the next 10 years. At the ASCO meeting in Chicago, this is Dave DeLozier, WISC News 3.
Some promising news there. Dr. Burkhardt's work is focused on metastatic breast cancer. Yesterday at the ASCO meeting, he received a grant from the Avon Walk to End Breast Cancer, and that grant will help to continue his research. Our congrats go out tonight to Dr. Burkhardt.